Let's be real, who doesn't love the idea of money flowing in while you sleep? That's the beauty of passive income. It's about building something once and reaping the rewards over time. Now imagine a world where you could create simple products and sell them online, effortlessly. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. That's the power of selling blank books on Amazon. The internet has revolutionized the way we do business. It's opened up a world of opportunities for entrepreneurs to build income streams without the traditional overhead. Amazon, with its massive reach and user-friendly platform, has become a goldmine for those looking to tap into the digital marketplace. One of the most accessible and surprisingly lucrative avenues is selling blank books. Yes, you heard that right, blank books. These aren't your grandma's dusty journals, no offense, Grandma. Think journals, planners, notebooks, sketchbooks, all designed to cater to specific niches and interests. The beauty of this business model is its simplicity. You don't need to be a best-selling author or a design guru. With the right tools and a bit of creativity, anyone can create and sell these in-demand products. Now, you might be thinking, blank books? Really? Who buys those? You'd be surprised. In our increasingly digital world, people are craving tangible ways to organize their thoughts, unleash their creativity, and prioritize their well-being. Think about it. There's a growing market for journals focused on gratitude, mindfulness, fitness tracking, and goal setting. Planners tailored to specific professions, hobbies, or even life events are all the rage. The possibilities are endless. The key is to understand that you're not just selling a blank book, you're selling an experience. You're providing a canvas for someone's thoughts, dreams, and aspirations. You're helping them create something meaningful. And the best part, the barrier to entry is remarkably low. You don't need to invest in expensive inventory or worry about shipping logistics. Amazon handles all of that for you through its print-on-demand service. You create the digital file and Amazon takes care of the rest, printing and shipping the book directly to the customer. The first step to success in any business is identifying your target market. Who are you creating this product for? What are their needs and desires? This is where niche selection comes in. Instead of trying to appeal to everyone, focus on a specific group of people with shared interests. For example, you could create journals for yoga enthusiasts, planners for busy moms, or notebooks for aspiring writers. The more specific you are, the better you can tailor your product and messaging to resonate with your ideal customer. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to unleash your creativity and design your book. Don't worry, you don't need to be a graphic designer to create professional-looking products. Tools like BookBolt make the process incredibly easy. BookBolt is a game changer for anyone looking to create and sell blank books on Amazon. This software provides you with pre-designed templates, fonts, and graphics, making it simple to put together stunning interiors and eye-catching covers. Think of it as your design assistant, guiding you every step of the way. You can customize the templates to your liking, adding your own personal touch and branding elements. The goal is to create a product that is both visually appealing and practical for your target audience. Section 4. Amazon KDP, your gateway to sales. Now that you've got your masterpiece ready to go, it's time to get it out into the world. This is where Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, comes in. KDP is Amazon's self-publishing platform, and it's incredibly user-friendly. Setting up your KDP account is free and straightforward. Once you're logged in, you can upload your book file, create your product listing, and set your price. Amazon's print-on-demand service takes care of the rest, printing and shipping your book directly to the customer when they place an order. One of the most crucial aspects of your KDP listing is your keywords. These are the terms that potential customers will use to search for products like yours on Amazon. Doing your keyword research is essential to ensure that your book shows up in relevant searches. Think about the words and phrases that your ideal customer would type into the Amazon search bar when looking for a product like yours. Use a combination of broad and long-tail keywords to maximize your visibility. Section 5. Marketing, scaling, and building a sustainable business. Congratulations! You've officially published your first blank book on Amazon. Now the real work begins, getting it in front of the right people. While Amazon's platform does a lot of the heavy lifting for you, you can't just rely on organic traffic. You need to actively promote your book and drive traffic to your listing. There are various ways to market your book, from running Amazon ads to leveraging social media platforms. You can also explore collaborations with influencers in your niche or offer discounts and promotions to incentivize purchases. As your sales start coming in, it's time to think about scaling your business. The beauty of this model is that it's incredibly easy to replicate. You can create multiple books targeting different niches, expanding your reach and income potential. Remember, building a successful business takes time, effort, and consistency. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Focus on creating high-quality products, optimizing your listings, and getting the word out there. With persistence and a little bit of hustle, you can turn your passion for blank books into a thriving online business.